Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss about writing a C program to check whether an entered number is an Armstrong number or not. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start discussing this program. So let me first show you the output of this program. When this program gets executed, it will ask user to enter a number. Enter any number. Then I will enter 153. Okay. Now let us first try to understand what is an Armstrong number. Armstrong number is a number when you add the cubes of each and every digit of this number, you should get the same number. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equals to 153. We have other number as well, 371. This also an example of Armstrong number. So you have seen the output. So what should be the logic to achieve this output? So we can get the output for this program by following three steps. First step is we first need to get the remainder of this number. Then we need to take the cube of that remainder and we need to add that remainder to some variable. That is the second step. Third step is reduce that number from 153 to 15. Okay, so these are the three steps which we need to perform. And how long we need to perform these three steps? Until the value of num, which is 153, becomes 0. Okay, that means we are performing these three tasks again and again until some specific condition gets satisfied, that is until the value of num becomes 0. So whenever you are performing some set of tasks again and again, then you should think of using any of the loops, whether it is a for loop or while loop or do while loop. And in this case we don't have any idea how long these three steps need to execute. So when you don't have any idea how long these three steps need to perform, then the best option or the best loop for you to use is the while loop. So I will be using while loop. While this num variable is equals to 0, then I will first find the remainder. That is the first step. Remainder is equals to num mod 10. We will make the sum. Sum equals to sum plus r, that is remainder into remainder into remainder. Then I will reduce the number. Okay, so these are the three steps we need to perform until the value 153 becomes 0. So before starting while loop, first we need to copy this value into some other variable. Copy is equals to num. Okay, num will hold this value 153. Now at the very beginning itself we need to take a copy of this num inside this copy variable, so that later on we can use that copy variable to make the comparison. Okay, now these are the statements which we need to execute until the value of num becomes 0. Now let us first do the first iteration. While num is 153. Okay, 153 is not equals to 0, condition true. Then if condition true, control will come inside the while loop to perform these statements. Remainder equals to num is 153 mod 10 and I will get 3 as the remainder. Then I will perform this step. Sum equals to, sum is, we need to first initialize 0 to sum. So we will use that value 0 plus remainder 3 into 3 which is 27. Okay, then num equals to num by 10. Num value is 153. By 10 we will get 15. So after performing the first iteration, we get the sum value as 27 and num value as 15. Now we will do the second iteration. Now num is 15 and this 15 gets passed to again while loop, where it will check whether the value of 15 is not equals to 0. Yes, condition true. Then control will come inside the while loop to perform this task. Reminder equals to num is 15 mod 10, which equals to 5 as a reminder. Then we will perform the sum. Sum equals to this one. Sum. What is the value of sum in the first iteration? 27. 27 plus reminder. Reminder value is 5. 5 into 5 into 5. And we will get 27 plus 125, which equals to 152. 152. Okay. Next step. Num equals to num by 10. Num is 15. 15 by 10 equals to 1. Next, third iteration. Okay, after completing the second iteration, we have got num value as 1 and sum value as 152. Then again this value of 1 gets passed to while loop. Okay, here it will 1. 1 is not equals to 0. Yes, condition true. When the condition becomes true, control will come inside the while loop to perform this task. Reminder equals to num 1 mod 10, and we will get 1 as a reminder. Then we will add sum equals to sum. Sum is 152 plus 1 into 1, which is 152 plus 1 equals to 153. And then num is equals to num by 10. Num value is 1 by 10. We will get 0.1. Now num value gets reduced to 0.1. Since we are dealing with integers, that's why we will consider only 0 by skipping this 0.1. Now again the value of 0 gets passed to while. Here 0 will come. 0 is not equals to 0. Condition becomes false. That's why the control will come outside the while loop, and whatever the value gets stored inside the sum, which is 153. Now that value needs to compare with the value of copy variable. If sum, which is 153, is equals to copy. Initially we had taken the copy of this variable inside the copy variable. Now we are comparing. Okay. If 153 is equals to 153, then print Armstrong number, else print not an Armstrong number. Okay, so this is the logic and this is the complete tracing of the program. Now I will use this logic to write the C program function, and now I need to declare the variables. Okay, how many variables do we require? We require num variable, int num, and we also require a copy variable, and then we require a sum variable which gets initialized with the value 0, and we also require reminder variable. Okay. Next we need to display this message, enter any number, using the output function printf. Then I need to read that number, num. Now first I need to make a copy of this number. Copy is equals to num. Next I need to perform this logic. While num is not equals to 0, then reminder equals to num mod 10, sum equals to sum plus reminder into reminder, then num is equals to num by 10, bracket closed. Once these tasks gets completed, then we will be performing a comparison. If sum is equals to copy, then print for, else 0 bracket closed. That's all for this video, guys. So if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.